Okay, so we have this example. Salim walks 3 meters 30 degrees northeast, then he walks 5 meters 30 degrees west north. Find his total displacement. So first step, I need to choose a scale. I chose that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, which means I need 3 centimeters to represent the 3 meters, let's call it as A, and 5 centimeters to represent the 5 meters, let's call it B. Then after choosing the scale, I need to draw the first vector, which is vector A. But before drawing vector A, I need to do something, which is draw north, south, east, and west first. Why would I draw them? Because it says 30 meters, 30 degrees northeast. So I draw this north, south, east, and west. Then I need to draw the first vector, which is vector A. So how do I draw vector A? I bring my protractor, I put it exactly at the middle, and I put all the zeros on the zeros. Now it says 30 degrees northeast. I always start from the second, I go to the first. So which dimension is the second? It's the east. So I need to start from east and go to north. So it's gonna be like this. At exactly 30 degrees, I put a small dot. So I'm counting this one. 0 to 10, 20, 30. At the 30, I put the dot because I'm going counterclockwise. I put the 0 on the east since it's the second dimension, and I go towards the first. Then I need to connect this. How many centimeters? I need 3 centimeters to represent the 3 meters. You see, I didn't go all the way, I only went till the 3 centimeters. So this is my first vector A, or which is the 3 meters, or we can just write the 3 centimeter vector, or just write it 3 meters. 3 meters, and I use the 3 centimeters to represent it. After that, I need to draw the second vector on the first. So how I'm gonna draw it? First, I need to draw x, y axis on the head of this vector. I draw them, and I also label them the same thing: north, south, east, and west. Now for the second vector, what does it say? It says that it's 30 degrees west north, which means I'm gonna start from north and go to west 30 degrees. Where do I start? Do I start from this north or this north? Since I'm drawing the second vector on the head of the first, so I'm gonna start from here. So I put my protractor like this. This one is on the origin, and this one is on the 0. 0 on the north. I need to go from north to west because it says west north, so from north to west. I need to go 10, 20, 30 degrees. So the dot for the 30 degrees is somewhere over here. Now how many centimeters do I use to draw it? I use 5 centimeters only, I don't go beyond that. So now I need to connect from here to this point 5 centimeters. So I'm gonna use back my ruler. Okay. Ruler, I put it exactly, where is the dot? Dot is on the line of the ruler starting from the origin point. Here is the origin point, and dot is on. So I need to go 5 centimeters from here till here, 5 centimeters. So here is the second vector, which is 5 meters, and I used 5 centimeters to draw it. Now I need to find the resultant. How do I find the resultant? I connect from my starting point to my ending point, and the head of the resultant is on the ending point itself. Here is my resultant vector. How do I find its magnitude? I use a ruler. So I measure all the length of it. It's 5.5. So R is equal to 5.5 centimeters, which is also equal to, if I change it back to meters, 5.5 meters. What about the angle of the resultant? How do I find it? I go to the tail If there is no XY axis, you draw XY axis on the tail and you put this. But here, luckily, I have an XY axis. So I put the protractor exactly on the tail and on the 0, 0 position, because I'm gonna measure it. I'm gonna measure it from here to here, see? So it is 88 degrees northeast. Why is it northeast? Because you start from east, you go to north. So it's 88 degrees northeast.